Skip experience. Get hired in web dev by 2026 without any experience in 2026. Here's my 5-step roadmap you can copy today. Step 1. Skill up fast, smart, and focused. Pick one track. Frontend, HTML, modern CSS, JavaScript with TypeScript. Then one framework, React, Next.js 15, Tailwind. Tooling, Git, GitHub, VS Code, Copilot or Cursor, Vite, a testing habit, Vitest and Playwright. 2 hours a day, 60 days. Ship something every week. Step 2. Build a portfolio that solves real problems. 3 projects only, but meaningful. Project 1. A SaaS-style app with auth. Payments. A dashboard using Next.js, Prisma, and Postgres on Supabase. Project 2. A real-time tool using WebSockets, like a collaborative notes app. Project 3. A data-driven UI. Charts, filters, exports, accessibility baked in. Deploy everything to Versal. Add a 2-minute Loom walkthrough and a README with screenshots, tech choices, and measurable outcomes. Step 3. Prove you can work with others. Contribute to one open source issue a week. Small PRs, clear commit messages. Join 2 communities, a local meetup, and an online Discord. Ask for code reviews. Offer them back. Step 4. Make jobs come to you. Banner. Junior front-end developer. I build fast, accessible apps. About section, your stack, 3 projects, and impact. Reduced load time by 42%. Post consistently. Step 5. Apply smart and prep interviews. Tailor resumes. Target roles. Practice project stories, basics, and pair programming.